A warm good morning to respected principal, vice principal, teachers and all our dear friends.
It is indeed that a privilege wholeheartedly welcome each and every one of you to our Independence Day celebration.
Myself Shrimoy
And Anlit wish everyone a happy Independence Day.
Today, as we celebrate the 75th Independence Day, let us salute with pride the great sacrifices of our freedom fighters whose love for India secured us our freedom.
We all are gathered here to celebrate the feeling of patriotism within us. So let's begin the day with the hosting of flag and national anthem.
The national flag represents the hopes and the aspirations of the people of India. Now, I would call Sister Arpita to share a few words with us and give the message of the day. Please, Sister.
My dear students, loving parents and teachers, wish you all a happy Independence Day. We, the Indians, are celebrating 75th Independence Day this year. A great day to be remembered and celebrated. On this golden occasion, I remember with gratitude our freedom fighters and the soldiers and all others who sacrificed their lives following the path of non-violence. This day enkindles in us a hope for a better future with the sense of patriotic pride in us. Nehruji once said, "Freedom and power brings responsibility." Yes, this responsibility is shouldered in you and me, the sovereign body of India, the sovereign people of India. Once an American visited India. When he went back to his country, his Indian friend asked him, "How did you feel India?" He said, "It's a great country with all its ancient history, immensely rich with natural resources." Then the Indian friend asked, "How did you find Indians in India?" Then the American said, "Indians? I didn't find a single Indian. I didn't meet a single Indian in India." Then the Indian friend asked, "Who else did you find in India?" The American said, "I went to Kashmir and I met a Kashmiri. I went to Rajasthan and I met a Mawadi. I went to Bihar and in Bihar I met a Biharian. I went to Punjab. I saw a Punjabi. I went to Tamil Nadu and I met a Tamilian. And I went to Kerala, I met a Malayali. I met a Hindu, a Muslim, a Christian, a Buddhist, a Jain, and many, many more. But when I visited borders of India, I met the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Force, the soldiers fighting for India from all diverse background, from different parts of India, with a different linguistic background, from variety of cultures and states fighting for one nation, that is India. Yes, dear friends, this is the uniqueness of our nation. Diversity makes India distinctive from all other lands in the world. We, as Indians, need to be proud of this unity in diversity. This corona pandemic has taught us that we are all humans. We as humans need to fight together and support each other. May this unique Independence Day celebration unite us all. In a special way, I salute all the corona warriors who are fighting the battle and trying to save the lives of our sisters and brothers, Indians. On this joyful day, I am reminded of respected Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian in space. Yes, at that time, the Honorable Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked Mr. Rakesh Sharma how India looks like from space. Without any hesitation and feeling to be a proud Indian, he said, "Sare jahan se acha." Yes, let's have this feeling of being an Indian. May God bless you. Let me remain Jai Farad. Thank you.
Yes, Shimoy, you're right. To evoke memories of the great sacrifice of martyrs and stir up a patriotic spirit in us, we have a patriotic song before you.
शक्ति दर्शाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का धन मन सारा, मातृभूमि का धन मन सारा।
Today, each heart is filled with patriotic fervor and many significant memories come back to mind.
Coming up is a patriotic speech by Stuti Singh. कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। Awam, good morning to respected principal, vice principal, teachers and all the participants present here. Let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege to being born in free India and celebrate this day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know what they actually went through under a colonial rule. Those difficult times and struggle must not be fade away from our memories. On this day, we not only make celebration, but we also pay a tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. This day teaches us the importance of patriotism and strengthens our unity irrespective of any difference. As being an Indian citizen, we should not consider this day only for hosting the flag and distributing sweets. We need to understand the true meaning behind the celebration of this day. During the pre-independence time, patriotism means to get out of their houses and fight against foreign rule. Whereas today it means to give best in development and progress of our nation as best human resource. India's economic, social and political developments are showcased on a global basis when people came to know about this day. So let us take a pledge. We won't let our flag, our country down. We won't give any chance to others to take ourselves for granted. Before concluding my speech, I would like to wish you all once again Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Stuti.
With the challenges that the world is facing at present, it is clear that everyone has to work with the unity of purpose.
May our dreams of a COVID-free India come true. Let us face all odds with courage.
Now, Nela Anam of KG2 will say a patriotic poem before you.
हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं, हम बच्चे हंसते गाते हैं, हम आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं। पथ पर बिखरे कंकड़ कांटे हम चून चून दूर हटाते हैं। आए कितने भी बाधाएं हम कभी नहीं घबराते हैं। धन दौलत से ऊपर उठकर सपने के महल बनाते हैं। हम खुशी बांटते हैं दुनिया को, हम हंसते और हंसाते हैं। सारे जग में सबसे अच्छे हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं। सारे जग में सबसे अच्छे हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
We have a friends with the dance performance on the song Teri Mitti Mein Mil Jawa and Dangal Dangal.
सड़कें है अब लावारिस, घर पे बैठा इंसान है। जहां खेलते थे सब बच्चे, खाली वो हर मैदान है। मंदिर और मस्जिद है बंद, खुली राशन की दुकान है। हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है। अस्पतालों में जूझ रहे सब डॉक्टर इस वक्त इंसानियत के भगवान हैं। खाकी में निकले वीर सिपाही को हर हिंदुस्तानी का सलाम है। घर में रहकर हर नागरिक दे रहा अपना योगदान है। हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है।
देश की शान, देश की हम संतान हैं। 3 रंग से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है। जय हिंद।
तलवारों पे सर वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाजा मारे वे थर थर कपदे सारे। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाजा मारे वे थर थर कपदे सारे। रे लख गाड़ दूं, रे चाड़ा पाड़ दूं, रे लख गाड़ दूं, रे चाड़ा पाड़ दूं। माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे, दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल। वंदे मातरम 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 वंदे मातरम। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान।
It was indeed an enchanting performance, isn't it, Anlit?
Yes, Shimoy. Let us hope for India where every weak and downtrodden are empowered.
Yes, Anlit, an India where no person is left out in the journey of development and progress.
With these wishes, it's time to end our celebration.
With the vote of thanks by Cypria.
Good morning, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to our beloved principal for her continuous encouragement and support. You have always motivated us. I would also like to thank the parents for their guidance and support. I thank all the participants who have done their part well. I take this opportunity to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff who have worked as a team. Once again, I thank you all and wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.